Have you noticed your makeup separating and clinging to dry patches just a few hours after applying it? You are definitely not alone in this frustrating daily battle with your skin texture. You absolutely do not need to keep buying expensive store-bought setting sprays that fail to hydrate your face. Today, we are going to stop wasting money and make a powerful rescue remedy for dry and flaky skin. This simple 3-ingredient do-it-yourself setting spray will lock in your makeup and provide a stunning glow. Before we start mixing our ingredients, we need to understand why most commercial setting sprays make dry skin worse. Many popular setting sprays rely heavily on alcohol to make the product dry quickly on your face. While alcohol makes the spray dry fast, it actively strips the essential moisture right out of your skin barrier. For someone with an already dry skin type, this creates a disastrous cycle of severe dehydration. Your beautiful foundation ends up looking cracked, cakey, and incredibly dull by the middle of the afternoon. We are going to replace those harsh chemicals with 3 deeply nourishing ingredients that your skin will actually love. Our first hero ingredient for this rescue spray is pure organic rosewater. Rosewater is a fantastic natural hydrator that soothes irritation and reduces the look of redness on the skin. It provides a beautiful, gentle water base for our spray without leaving any sticky residue behind. Let us define a very important skincare term right now, which is a humectant. A humectant is an active ingredient that acts like a tiny magnet, pulling moisture from the air directly into your skin. This brings us perfectly to our second vital ingredient, which is pure liquid vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is a powerful natural humectant that will bind the rosewater directly to your dry skin patches. Without glycerin, any water you spray on your face would simply evaporate and leave your skin much drier than before. This is a perfect moment for a quick myth versus truth breakdown about facial mists. The myth is that spraying plain water on your face throughout the day keeps your skin perfectly hydrated and fresh. The truth is that plain water evaporates rapidly, actively pulling your skin's natural moisture out along with it. You must always have a humectant like glycerin in your facial spray to hold on to that precious hydration. Now we need to define our second key skincare term for this recipe, which is an emollient. An emollient is a conditioning ingredient that smooths the skin surface and completely seals the hydration inside the barrier. This brings us to our third and final essential ingredient, which is pure squalane oil. Squalane oil is a lightweight, non-comedogenic emollient that perfectly mimics the natural moisturizing oils of your own skin. It locks in the rosewater and glycerin, ensuring your makeup stays flexible and beautifully luminous for hours. If you are finding this ingredient breakdown helpful so far, please take a second to like this video and subscribe. Let us move into the preparation phase with our simple sanitize and measure framework. Step 1 of this framework is ensuring your mixing tools and your glass spray bottle are completely clean. Always use a brand new dark glass spray bottle to protect the natural ingredients from degrading in the sunlight. Wash your glass bottle and your small mixing funnel with warm soapy water and let them air dry completely. Skipping the sanitization step is a common mistake that can lead to harmful bacteria growing in your beautiful new spray. Once everything is completely clean and dry, we can start combining our ingredients using the golden hydration ratio. The golden hydration ratio is 4 parts rosewater, 1 part glycerin, and just a few drops of squalane oil. Start by placing your clean metal funnel directly into the narrow neck of your dark glass spray bottle. Carefully pour 4 tablespoons of the pure rosewater directly into the glass bottle. Make absolutely sure you are using genuine rosewater without any added synthetic fragrances or hidden artificial colors. Next, we will carefully add exactly 1 tablespoon of pure liquid vegetable glycerin to the rosewater base. A very common mistake here is thinking that adding more glycerin will give you even more intense hydration. If you add too much glycerin, your final setting spray will feel incredibly sticky and heavy on your face. Stick rigidly to the precise ratio to ensure your makeup sets perfectly without any tacky or tight feeling. Finally, add exactly 5 drops of pure squalane oil into the bottle using a small glass dropper. Because squalane is incredibly lightweight, it will not make your makeup slide off or look excessively greasy. Now remove the mixing funnel and screw the spray top very tightly onto your dark glass bottle. If you look closely, you will notice that the clear oil is floating at the very top of the water mixture. This is completely normal because oil and water naturally separate when they are sitting perfectly still. This leads to the most important step before every single application, which is a very vigorous shake. You must shake the bottle firmly for 5 full seconds to temporarily mix the squalane oil into the rosewater. Let us go over the perfect application technique to get that flawless, smooth finish over your dry makeup. Hold the spray bottle exactly 8 to 10 inches away from your face before pressing the nozzle. If you hold the bottle too close, you will create large water droplets that can visibly ruin your foundation. Close your eyes tightly and relax all of your facial muscles completely before you begin spraying the mist. Spray the fine mist using a continuous, smooth motion in the shape of a lowercase letter T across your face. Start at the exact center of your forehead and move straight down to your chin in one fluid motion. Then, spray horizontally directly across your cheeks from left to right to finish the T shape. Next, spray the mist in the shape of a capital letter X to thoroughly cover the outer edges of your face. This precise T and X application method ensures an even, feather-light distribution over your entire makeup look. Now, you must let the hydrating setting spray air dry naturally for exactly 60 seconds. Do not touch your face with your hands or use a handheld fan that blows heavy air directly onto your wet makeup. For an extra flawless finish, take a slightly damp beauty sponge once the spray is almost completely dry. Very gently press the soft sponge over any specific areas where you normally experience severe powdery flaking. This gentle pressing motion pushes the humectants deep into the dry patches and completely smooths out the powder texture. Let us look at a highly practical real-world scenario where this custom spray will completely save your makeup. Imagine you are working at your desk in an office with very strong, dry air conditioning blowing all day. By 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the cold air conditioning has pulled the moisture from your skin, making it look dull. Instead of adding more setting powder, which will just look thick and cakey, you reach for your do-it-yourself spray. A very quick mist immediately reintroduces the lost hydration and beautifully restores the youthful glow to your foundation. The squalane oil immediately seals that fresh moisture in, successfully protecting your skin from the harsh office air. This setting spray is also an absolute necessity if you are traveling on a commercial airplane. Airplane cabins have notoriously dry, recycled air that can destroy a beautiful makeup application in a matter of hours. Keeping a small travel-size bottle of this spray in your carry-on bag is the perfect defense against cabin air. Now let us do a quick troubleshooting section just in case your first batch of spray does not feel perfectly right. If your spray feels noticeably too sticky on your skin after it dries, you likely added a little too much glycerin. You can easily fix this mistake by pouring in 1 more tablespoon of pure rosewater to dilute the thick mixture. If your spray feels too oily and actively breaks down your foundation, you definitely used too many drops of squalane. Next time you mix a batch, reduce the squalane to just 2 or 3 drops for a much lighter finish. What should you do if your spray nozzle starts spitting large heavy drops instead of delivering a fine cosmetic mist? The thick glycerin can sometimes build up inside the tiny plastic tube of your spray nozzle over several weeks. Simply remove the spray top entirely, run the plastic tube under hot water, and pump it to clear the sticky blockage. Now let us do a quick mini recap of our entire process to make sure you have it fully memorized. First, we secure a clean, dark glass spray bottle and a small metal funnel for highly precise measuring. Second, we pour in 4 parts pure rosewater to serve as our soothing and deeply hydrating liquid base. Third, we add exactly 1 part vegetable glycerin to act as our powerful moisture-grabbing humectant. Fourth, we add exactly 5 drops of squalane oil to seal the moisture barrier and add a natural, healthy glow. Finally, we shake the bottle vigorously and mist the face using the precise T and X shape method. Let us take a moment to look at the massive financial cost savings of making this setting spray yourself. A high-end hydrating setting spray from a luxury beauty store can easily cost $30 to $40 for a single bottle. The pure ingredients for this do-it-yourself version cost only a few simple pennies per application. You are getting superior, custom-formulated skincare without paying a premium for aggressive marketing or fancy brand packaging. Your dry, flaky skin is finally getting exactly what it needs without any drying alcohols or harsh chemical preservatives. I would love to hear from you directly in the comments section below right now. What is the single most frustrating problem you face with your makeup when your skin feels excessively dry? Drop your specific answers in the comments so we can discuss more custom solutions for your exact skin type. If you found the skincare tutorial valuable, please share it with a friend who also struggles with dry, textured skin. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another practical beauty solution. Remember that achieving completely flawless makeup always starts with deeply hydrated and carefully nourished skin underneath. You now have the knowledge and power to create professional quality skincare products right in your own home. Stop settling for expensive products that leave your face feeling tight. Mix up a batch of this rescue spray today, and I will see you next time.